Hey there friends! Today I'm so excited to share the July monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio with you. First off, let's take a look at this kit. Okay, this is my first time looking at the July kit too, so I'm really excited. Let's break apart the kit contents and check out the die cuts first. Then we'll take a look at the 4x6s and then the 3x4s. Just move those to the side. Wow, look at these die cuts. Lots of great kind of outdoorsy colors, lots of greens and blues and grays this month, but you also have some fuchsia in here as well. So for those of you who don't love pink, then here you go. This is a great kit for you. Lots of great summer colors, but a bit different than past kits, so I'm really excited about that. Let's take a look at the 3x4s. We have text message. You're going to see that kind of theme popping up in the add-on contents too. What's for dinner? Love these sunny days. That's a cool one. Like the stripes. A tag. You'll see more of this. Fresh, local, good equals yum. I love this navy blue heart pattern, and this is really cool too. Currently, this is fun. Adventure is out there. Gray ledger. Orange quotes. Exploring. Speech bubbles. There's that fuchsia color. That's a really cool multicolor stripe. Blue and white stripe and constellations. So lots of fun themes, sayings on these months. 3x4s and the 4x6s. This is cool. 1, 2, 3. I love this pattern. Really nice, kind of neutral light blue pattern. And then the constellations as well. Love that. The July labels are really cool this month, you guys, because they're long strip labels this time, and they have sayings on them that coordinate with the kit. All these beautiful colors. Adventure, let's explore, play all day, out and about, currently, documented, good times, and love this. I really love those. Next up we have tag die cuts. Look at how beautiful these are. And these will not only coordinate with this kit, but with your other kits as well, since they use all of the Elle Studio colors, and they come in small and medium and big and bigger. So there's lots of great sizes, so many cool things to do with these, whether you use them as embellishments or make a little tag mini with them. So those are the tag die cuts. Next up, we have the navy cardstock label stickers, and they are just what they say they are, an awesome selection of labels in sticker form in a navy color. So you have large ones, small ones, circular ones, square. I love these little ones. They're just really fun for doing all sorts of things with. You can layer them, you can add your journaling to them, you could type on them or write on them because they're a nice matte finish. Then we have the chipboard stickers. This month we have 2. We have the Adventure chipboard stickers. I just love these. These are all blue, greens, and grays in all sorts of outdoor kind of themes. Never stop exploring. You got lots of sayings here for being outdoors. I love this. Enjoying the great outdoors with the trees. You have stars. You have topography, map kind of drawings, discovering new places. Then you have a big title here, Go, See, and Do. Again, these are matte finish, so you can stamp on these really easily. You can write on them. They are just so fun. Next up, we have our chipboard speech bubble stickers, and these have a bit more color to them. These will coordinate with your other kits as well because it has your pink and your Elle Studio red in there, your lime green. You have lots of things you can write on these, you can stamp on these, you can use them as embellishment. There are so many opportunities to do fun things with these, and I just love all of those bright and pretty colors. These are the chipboard speech bubble stickers. We're showing a lot of blues this month, which I'm excited about, and I always love a good navy alpha. So now we have the navy puffy alphabet stickers. So the classic alpha sticker that you love, we have it in navy now. We also have neutrals for our tiny shapes and dots puffy stickers. So stars, hearts, and dots all in gray, white, and black. Then we have the Great Outdoors wood veneer. So take a look at some of these. My favorite place with a geotag, enjoying the great outdoors, under the starry sky, adventure is out there, and let's go for a hike, which I'm definitely going to use a lot. We also have acrylic trees. So this goes along with that chipboard theme really well, and lots of trees. You have light green and a medium green. Then you have stars as well. So a really fun embellishment to add to those outdoor pages and projects. One of my favorite things that we get with Elle Studio and the add-ons are the paper stacks, and this one is so cool, you guys. I'm super excited about it. Take a look at all of the patterns you get here. You get 30 sheets, a 6 by 8.5, 15 designs, so you get 2 of each design. We have this awesome teal, the starry constellations, a perfect notebook, the topography map in like a light teal, the trees in a craft, a yellow stripe, which the yellow is always my favorite. This is fun, like a hiking map here. It says never stop exploring this way, so this will be really fun on my hiking pages. An orange, which I love orange too. So much energy and brightness with that orange. An awesome wood grain. A beautiful stripe. A floral. It's kind of a tone-on-tone floral. A blue grid, light blue grid. There's that blue pattern from the kit that I love so much, so I'm excited to see more of that. The green ferns, and a green ledger. So excited about this paper stack. Okay, this month we don't have 1, we don't have 2, we don't have 3, but we have 4 new stamps. Can you believe that? First up, we have the Adventure Note stamp. So if you love the labels this month, you're going to want to get this one. There are so many cool things you can do with this. I can see myself using this as a column on a layout and then layering my photos on the side. That would be really fun. Or you could just stamp it and cut it out. Next up, we have the Summertime tab stamp. So if you love our tab stamps, we have everyday, we have daily, we have springtime, and now we have summertime. So that it has all sorts of great phrases. They're hard to see, but they have little lines in these tabs. So there is also a die that matches these in the shop. So if you love this stamp, make sure you pick up that die too, so you can cut those out easily. But we have phrases like the great outdoors, summertime, barbecue, early mornings, good eats, vitamin C, SEA, staying cool, backyard fun. So this is a great stamp for all of your summer memories. Then we have the text message stamp. How fun is this? You have all of your emojis. So fun. And then you have solids and outlines in the speech bubbles. Then you have the big text message, date, and from. So this is a fun one to record those back and forth funny text messages that you might be sending to your friends or family. Last but not least, we have the Great Outdoors stamp, which is my favorite. I love this topography map kind of label shape here. You have date, location, with, here we go. Gone exploring, let's go hiking. You have lots of little things here that you can stamp as little embellishment clusters. You have a label with a tree, adventure is out there. Then you have that awesome icon with the trees and the great outdoors. I'm really excited about using this one, you guys. Also, new to the shop this month, 2 different metal dies. Look at this, you guys. This is a must-have in your stash. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 labels, and then 2 different little things that you can add to the top, like hole reinforcers for your labels. So big ones all the way down to a mini, just really usable for everything. Then you have these text message metal die. So you know, if you loved the text message stamp, then you could cut these out with your metal die. So we have the nesting tags and the text message metal die. Exciting news for our subscribers. You get 20% off on all of our metal dies this month, including the ones that I just showed you. So be sure to watch out in your inbox for that special promo code. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to click the link in these video notes to check out all of the information about becoming one. Thanks so much for joining me this month as we unbox the July 2021 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. Don't forget that as a subscriber, you get special perks like 24-hour bundled shipping, special discounts, and fun things throughout the year. And it's cancelable at any time, so it's worth it just to try it out to see what you think. You can find all of the links for starting a subscription or purchasing any of the product that you've seen in this video on my video notes by clicking that down arrow so that you can see all of those details. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with your Elle Studio July 2021 kit and add-ons.